Overwhelmed by grocery runs, gym memberships you never use, and that screenplay collecting dust? Yeah, we've all been there. Maybe the problem isn't your lack of motivation, but the tool you're using. Enter ClickUp, a project management powerhouse known for its ability to keep teams organized. But can this complex beast be tamed for the solo warrior? Is ClickUp good for personal use? That's the question we're untangling today. Now, some of you might be thinking, project management? Isn't that for, actual projects? Sure, ClickUp excels at wrangling complex workflows for businesses. But guess what? Your life is a project too. From conquering that home renovation to finally mastering sourdough bread, ClickUp can be your personal command center. So, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. First things first, ClickUp offers a free forever plan with a surprisingly generous amount of storage and features. This makes it a fantastic option for personal use, especially compared to some subscription-based productivity apps. But features are only half the story. ClickUp boasts a buffet of organizational views. Lists, Kanban boards, calendars, you name it. This lets you visualize your tasks in a way that works for you. Need a quick daily checklist? Lists got you covered. Tracking a long-term goal with multiple steps? Kanban boards are your friend. Here's where ClickUp gets exciting for personal use. Imagine a central hub for everything on your plate. A grocery list seamlessly transforms into a shopping trip task with a due date. That screenplay idea? ClickUp lets you attach documents, notes, and even character profiles, keeping your creative vision organized. Feeling overwhelmed by the sheer amount of options? ClickUp offers pre-built templates specifically designed for personal use. From habit trackers to meal planning, these templates provide a great starting point and can be easily customized to fit your unique needs. But what about the learning curve? ClickUp is undeniably powerful, and there's a bit of a learning curve involved. However, the platform offers a wealth of resources, including tutorials and a supportive community. And let's be honest, investing a little time up front can pay dividends in long-term productivity. Now, ClickUp isn't perfect. Some users find the interface a bit cluttered, and the sheer number of features can be intimidating at first. Additionally, power users might miss functionalities available in the paid plans. But here's the thing. For personal use, the free plan offers more than enough to supercharge your productivity. ClickUp lets you break down large goals into manageable steps, set reminders, and track progress. This fosters a sense of accomplishment that can be incredibly motivating. So, is ClickUp good for personal use? Absolutely. While it might have started as a team collaboration tool, ClickUp's versatility and robust features make it a valuable asset for anyone looking to take control of their personal projects and achieve their goals. Whether you're a busy professional or simply someone who wants to streamline your daily life, ClickUp offers a powerful and customizable solution. So, ditch the overwhelming to-do lists and give ClickUp a try. You might just be surprised at what you can accomplish. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy conquering.